Namaste all, this is Vinny. Welcome you all to our channel Yoga with Vinny. So today is a very special day. Today is 6th International Yoga Day. So I'm wishing you all a happy International Day 2020. Yoga is eternally for happiness and peace. We are running behind the happiness and peace. So why can't you practice yoga from today onwards? So please make this as your regular part of a day. Today we are going to practice special yoga protocol given by Ayush Mantralaya. So let's see what are the important asanas they are being providing for a healthy and happy lifestyle. So this is logos for yoga for peace and sustainability. So we are all undergoing through different kind of stress because of this pandemic situation. Let us fight together to get against to the flow. In Bhagavad Gita, it is clearly written, Yoga is Samatvam Yogochate, equanimity of body and mind, the balanced state of your body and mind. So let us make a pledge that we practice yoga regularly for healthy body and mind. So let's start. What are the important asanas that you have to practice today under the protocol of Ayush Mantralaya? So let's start. So first we are going to start with Tadasana. Tadasana, legs 1 to 2 inch apart. Interlock your fingers. Stretch it outwards. Take a deep breath in, inhale. Lift your shoulders up. Stand on your toes. Normal breathing here for 10 seconds. Exhale down. Relax. Now let's do Vrikshasana, free posture. For that, place your right foot to the left thigh. To the root of your left thigh. Now slowly spread your arms wide, palms open. Lift your shoulders up to Pranam posture, Vrikshasana. Focus on any point so that you will get a good balance. After 10 seconds, slowly coming back, relax. Now let's do Ardha Chakrasana. Place your palm back, then inhale, last part. Make your knees straight. Normal breathing for 10 seconds. Inhale, coming back, relax. Ardha Chakrasana. Now, slowly, we are going to sitting down. First, let's sit in Vajrasana, toes outstretched, sitting straight. Now, let's do Ushtrasana. Knees slightly spread and inhale. Get hold of your heel. Your hip is straight above your knee. Then slowly inhale. Coming back. Relax. Now, let's do Vakrasana. For Vakrasana, place your right foot beside your left knee. Now, if your right leg is up, right hand will go back almost closely to your spine so that it helps to make your spine straight. Now, cross your hand, get hold of your ankle joint. Now, inhale, twisting your body towards your right. Normal breathing here for 10 seconds. Inhale, coming back, exhale, relax. Now, let's do the other side. Bend your left leg, place it beside your right knee. If your left leg is up, left hand will go down. Close your right, get hold of your ankle joint. Now inhale, take out your chest and your stomach towards your left side. Normal breathing for 10 seconds. Inhale, coming back, exhale, relax. Now let us sit in Bhadrasana. Keep your soles touching together. Interlock your fingers here. Make your spine straight. Bhadrasana. Now let's do Utthana Mandukasana. For Utthana Mandukasana, you are sitting in Vajrasana, your both toes touching together, big toe. Then you have to spread your knee wide. Then cross your both hands apart. Just cross it. Then slightly arch back. Normal breathing here. Inhale. Exhale. Relax. Now you have to lie on your stomach. Legs together. Toes outstretched. Now first we are going to do Sarala Bhujangasana. For that, press your palms here. Then inhale, lift your body up to this. Here you are not giving good strain. Normal breathing here. This is for the beginners. Sarala Bhujangasana. Then slowly coming back. Relax. Now, the Bhujangasana. Place your both palms beside your chest, elbows close by. Then inhale. Lift your body up. Do not lift your shoulders. Chest open. Look straight. Normal breathing. Legs together. Eka. Dve. Trine. Chatuar. Panch. Shata. Sapt. Ashta. Nav. Dish. Exhale now. Relax. Now we are going to practice Shalabhasana. Place your both palms under your thighs, palm facing upwards, legs together. Now let's do Shalabhasana. Inhale, lift your both legs up. Make your knees straight, normal breathing. Exhale down, relax. Now, slowly turn your body, lie on your back. Relax a bit. Now, let's do Utthana Padasana. Inhale, lift your both legs up to 45 degrees. Normal breathing here for 10 seconds. Exhale, coming back. Relax. Now let's do Ardha Halasana. By pressing your palms, inhale, lift your both legs up to 90 degrees. Stay here for normal breathing. 10 to 15 seconds. Exhale, coming back. Relax. Then let's do Pavanamuktasana. For Pavanamuktasana, by pressing your palms on the ground, inhale, lift your both legs up, bend your knees, interlock your fingers, exhale, head to knee. Hold your breath if possible for 10 seconds. Inhale, coming back, legs up, exhale, coming down, relax. Turn your left leg, right hand above your head, turn your body towards your right, slowly getting up. So, these are the important asanas. Now, the Kriya. Now we are going to do a Kriya, that is Kapalbhati. Kapal means your brain, Bhati means shining. It helps to make your brain shine and calm down all the tension. So let's see how asanas are done. So these are the asanas. Now what we are going to do is Kapalbhati. Kapalbhati is shine the brain. That's the meaning of Kapalbhati. So it helps to stimulate your blood circulation and it helps to reduce your abdominal belly fat. It calms down all the stress and tension. It helps to increase your immune system. So let's see how you are practicing Kapalbhati. Make your spine straight. Now here we are going to do forceful exhalation. You can feel your diaphragm completely closing and opening with your exhalation and inhalation. So inhalation, it's happening naturally. You're not giving any force for the inhalation. So let's see how you're doing it. Make your spine straight. Exhale. In 1 minute, you can do 60 strokes. In the beginning, make it slow, then you can make it fast, then keep it slow, then relax. Let's do once more. Slow down. Relax. So next we will do Nadi Shuddhi Pranayama. Nadi means nerves. Shuddhi means cleansing. All we have 72,000 nerves in our body. So when you practice this Nadi Shuddhi Pranayama regularly, it helps to detoxify your complete body organs, your nerve system. It helps to give you more strength and improve your lung capacity. So let's see. Take your hand, bend your second and third finger. This is Nasika Mudra. First, you're closing your right nostril with the right thumb. Then slowly inhale through your left fin, slowly and deeply. Then close it, exhale through your right. Maximum slow and deep exhalation. A complete exhalation, you're again inhaling through your right. Close it, then exhale through your left. This is the one cycle of Nadi Shuddhi Pranayama. You have to practice 7 cycles. Okay? So, be calm and stay calm. Enjoy your breathing. Know your lung capacity, how far you can inhale slowly, how far you can exhale slowly. So, these all are the important things that you can practice regularly. So please do practice regularly. Stay positive, stay healthy and happy. Thank you so much. Namaste.